Hello and welcome. I am super excited. My name is Lisa. You are watching One Lisa Show, and I just got my box from Beyond the Pink Door. I subscribe to their Think Pink subscription box where you get some fabric, a haberdashery item, usually matching thread, and some other little gift. And mine came in. I know I just put a video out. I cannot wait. I cannot wait. I can kind of see there's a decorative box inside. So without further ado, let's get in. So I'm going to just cut it open. If this is your first time watching an unboxing of a Think Pink box, it is from Beyond the Pink Door, which is in Poundbury in the UK. And as a US customer, I think I just checked my credit card bill. I think it is about $56 a month. That includes shipping. And you usually get 2 or 2.5 meters of fabric. Mine was stuck in customs for like a week. That is not the norm. And here is my box. It's very pretty. Andrea, what a pretty box. The artwork is nice. Very nice. I like this because this is a good put in your closet, or if you use it for other things. And she even has a section here where you can write what's inside. So if you use it for sewing items or knickknacks, or actually I have some drawers in my sewing space. So what I would do is I'll probably put this in my bedroom closet. It also says the Instagram channel Beyond the Pink Door and tag your makes. Think Pink Makes. Oh, I look forward to doing that. Now I'm going to open. I could try to peel the sticker off, but I'm not going to. Just gonna slice it. Okay, we're gonna look at it together. Are you ready? Are you ready? Let's look at it together. I just got home from work, and I have more work to do, but when I saw this, I was so excited. Yes, I love something that's packaged. Oh my God, I see the fabric. Do you see the fabric? Something is packaged. Let's be nice. Let's be polite and look at the packaged item. Chapter 3. So this is March's box. We're still in March. And on the back, it has a QR code that you can scan to access the ebook that she puts out. And the ebook's really fun. This is subscription box 37. The ebook is gives ideas for how to use the fabric. Sometimes there's recipes in there. There's more information about the fabric. And it says this month's box contains 2.5 meters of fabric. There are 3 colorways. So I'll be able to see the other colorways in the ebook. Okay. Cute little bag. Paper bag. Penny is moving back and forth, back and forth. Ooh, what do we have? We have a little tile that says sew. That's cute. That's real cute. Hopefully that comes in so you can see it. It's like a dusky pink. It feels like a little clay tile that has been glazed. Sounds like it too. Clue to my fabric, which we kind of already peeked. Here is my matching thread. It's a Gutermann thread, and it is black. Even no matter what, you can't get enough black or white thread, in my opinion. And we have a soap, lime, basil, and mandarin soap. And this is from Cole and Company. Handmade in Wales, naturally. Okay. Lime, basil, and mandarin soap. This is probably, so it's, oh, Cole and Company. Little travel soap. It smells lovely, but it is probably the reason why I was stuck in customs as long as I was. Yeah, really nice. It's got a very pleasant smell. I can smell the soap smell, but I can also smell the basil and hints of the mandarin and the lime. Very cute, nice packaging. Can always use that. And there's also some straight pins, which I love the big giant ball straight pins. So having some of these is always comes in handy. Very happy with that. And now my fabric. This, I don't know if she ever picks who gets what, but this screams me. So I will gently put my box down and open this up. This is a woven. It's definitely a woven. And it has some stretch. So it does have elastane in it because it does have a little stretch, but it is a woven. Let's see if there's any hints on the selvage. 2.5 meters. Oh. It says Rosella Stretch Digital Collection, Palm Fabrics, Europe. Look at the colors. You see, it looks like a black background and this gorgeous florals and every color that I love. Pink, violet, purple. These are very vibrant colors too. There's some magenta tones in there. It's very nice. It has some weight to it. Get a bigger picture here. Wow, I can make a dress out of this. And it has stretch, just a little stretch. Lovely, lovely. It's gorgeous. It's a nice big print. 2.5 meters. Hold while I check the ebook to find out what this is made of. So I was just checking on the ebook and it says this month's box contains 2.5 meters of stretch woven viscose. So I was correct. They get 4 meters if they're in the extra size box, which costs more. And I don't usually need that. So this is, it's a stretch woven viscose. It is definitely heavier than what you would consider like a viscose challis. Although it's not flowy, it's got some structure. It still has a nice drape, as you can see. And she said there were 3 colorways for the box. And I absolutely am loving the colorway that was given to me. I love this. I'm just going through my head. Actually, I would love to see this in a jumpsuit. I do have, I think it's a McCall's or a Simplicity jumpsuit pattern that would be nice. I just don't know if this is too busy for a jumpsuit or not. But it's gorgeous. It does have a wintry kind of feel to me, so I don't know if it's something I'm going to use right away. But Andrea, well done, because I absolutely love it. These are my favorite colors to sew with. So it is made me very, very pleased. I love a big floral print. I do. I love a ditzy print. I love a big floral print. So everything here is just absolutely fabulous. As always, if you have never gotten the Think Pink box and you want to treat yourself, check on their website and see if they have one-off boxes where you could buy before you subscribe to see if you like it. And if you do like surprises, this is something that's fun and it's actually a treat, because I would usually not spend $56 for 2.5 meters of fabric otherwise, but I enjoy the surprise, so I actually don't mind paying a little extra for the surprise, and I know I'm going to get a matching thread, so I don't have to worry about finding color matching, especially with Joann's going away. And then there's always a little fun something extra, and I enjoy somebody, not me, picking the fabric, if that makes sense. Thank you so much for watching my unboxing, and have a great day. Let me know, did you get a box, and what was your colorway, and what would you make with this? Thank you. Bye-bye.